Hey everybody, it's Donna the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday this week, celebrating Christmas or whatever it is that you celebrate. Today I'm doing my 2021 planner lineup for you guys today. So let's get started, okay? I have several planners here, and I'm not really I sort of been working on this throughout the week, so let's just see where this ends up. And I'm making a total mess here. All right. First, there's the lettering planner, and this is just going to be a weekly thing that I do along with probably everybody else out there in the planner world. And this is just going to be like a lettering class. So this is my lettering planner that I will be using. All right, now, I actually got this planner, and it is a dashboard planner. And what I did was I actually took this planner, I took this cover off of this planner, and I made a transformer planner. So what I did was, this is inside. I glued some pages together because I don't need July of last year. So we have the January flip through, and this is where I keep up with all anniversaries, birth dates, and things like that. And I glued this page to the front of this because the back of this page was July. So, and then here's the December. And then the layout, I've already done the last week of December in this planner, as you can see. And then it's going to start in to January 2021. I've already done the monthly. And it's going to be a dashboard. Now, I received this little book from my secret sister. I think it came from Hobby Lobby for Christmas. And I punched the edges of this because I think it's really neat to have like something to grab quick and early each day if you need to just jot stuff down and throw it in your pocketbook or whatever. I just thought those were really neat. So I punched a bunch of these and just put them in here, and I'm going to be doing dashboard this year. So then I bought a wellness planner, which this cover was actually for the wellness planner. And I put the wellness planner cover on here. This was actually the actual dashboard planner's cover, and I switched it with the wellness planner. I hope I'm not confusing everybody. And what you do is you put the front on here, and then I pulled the first 3 months out of my wellness planner, and it's like the same layout in the front as most all the other ones are. I haven't started anything in here. And then you have like goals you want to set, your action steps, you want to reflect on what you did, you know, if it was good, bad, or ugly. And then I like that it has the bullets here that you can just, and this is going to be super minimalistic. It's just going to have little splashes. And what I'm going to do here is I'm basically just going to use this as self-journaling and self-goal setting is what I'm going to do here. And just track myself throughout the year with that. It's just, I want to keep track of me, my mental health, just goals I have and things I want to accomplish. And my word for this year, everybody has a word. I haven't done my page yet. I have a bunch of videos to film today, is achieve. So that's going to be my word for 2021. Now, I'm going to save these other two for last, the new ones. This is my social media planner, and it's an 18-month. So what I did was I switched the cover just to give me some new ideas, you know, make me feel like it's fresh and new, even though it's really not. And so what I want to do here is I'm just going to continue to use this because, you know, I've been tracking everything in it. So I went ahead and I did my first week, or the last week of December, first week of January. And this planner layout spread is from Lunar Designs, and the name of it's called Snowflake. So if you're interested in that, be sure you look her up on Instagram and her Etsy shop. So this is that week. And then of course January, and I will still continue to use this as my social media tracker, planner, video setups, so on and so forth. So this was from last year, but there's 6 more months in it, and I like to follow through. I'm one of those people that's like, okay, I'm not going to throw away a planner just because, you know, or stop using it. I like to use them all the way through. And then I have my little 18-month planner here. That's my little skinny mini that is also, I flipped that over to give me some freshness, to make me feel like I had a new planner. And as you can see, it is also 6 more months left. And what I'm going to do different with this is I'm going to track my spending, and I'm going to track my budget, and it's going to be like a grocery planner. Things I need to pick up, notes for things I need to, you know, errands I need to run throughout the week. So I have 6 more months left in this one. So I'm going to go ahead and complete that out. So like I said, that's going to be list, groceries, errand running, etc. Now, I got this planner. I have so many that I can't keep up with them. Isn't that pitiful? This is a vertical. And I got this on sale from the Happy Planner. I got this as a freebie and some stickers that I bought. And I really, really, really love it. I got it from a lady on Mercari called Seller B. She's awesome. She sent me bukus of stuff. And I'm just trying to keep, other than the 2 flowery planners, I'm trying to keep with a black or white aesthetic. So I got this planner, which I'm not really into like the crystals and all that stuff, but I really like the coloring on this. So what I did, the packaging, I cut the packaging off and I punch it, and I use these, like you can use these and put stickers on them or post-it notes or whatever on them, and they really do come in handy. So when you have your packaging that comes off of stuff, hang on to it. You know, most of the time it's pre-punched. If it's not, you can punch it. It's really super thick and durable, and you can use this as just something that you just stick sticky notes on for quick reference. And I went ahead and put down my name, and I haven't done any lettering because I haven't learned how to do it. So I'm not going to sit here and try to do it. I'm either going to write my signature or I'm going to do this until I learn the lettering. So this is a vertical layout on this. And of course it has the same flip through in the very beginning. I went ahead and put down some stickers for January. And I did some super minimal planning. This is another little freebie that she sent me. And I just kept it super simple. It's probably just going to have little splashes of flowers or a little washi here and there. And then of course I'm going to decorate this, but I have some stickers that I'm going to get or make and decorate it. So it's just a vertical personal size planner. I jumped ahead. I was bored last night, and I did a plan for the week of the 11th. But as you can see, I haven't really done anything else. I'm basically just wanting to give you all, and this is National Sticker Day, a quick reference as to what I'm using. So this is going to be in my purse. Everything in the world will be in this one, and that will be my personal catch-all, and then I have my big catch-all. So I'm going to have 2 catch-alls, but I'm going to have one for the purse so I don't have to carry the big planner around, because it also has my wellness stuff in it, so I don't want to have all that with me. This is something that I'm incorporating in 2021, and this is going to be my faith journaling planner. This is a personal size, and it's horizontal. Went ahead and put my name in there, and see, it's like it's got all the crystals and stuff. I don't do that. So, but you know, I may cover those up. This is another piece of that plastic that I can use as a quick reference. Maybe there's a scripture or something I want to study, or somebody says something, I want to look it up, I want to reference it or something. I haven't done any decorating in this planner yet. And it's, of course, your full month at a glance there. And then it's your horizontal layout. And this is a 12-month planner. It's not an 18-month planner, but I feel like this gives me plenty of space to put a scripture. And then what I like to do is like read the scripture and try to get what it means to me and reflect on it and write my reflection here. And then of course I can add more pages if I need to. I can always like print pages out or just have clear pages or blank pages that I can just cut and put in here if I need extra writing space. So this is really pretty. I mean, like the quotes and things in here are really, really nice. And it's real minimal, and that's what I was going for. And I think it's super cute. I really like that one. I'm trying to get away from all these that have so many decorations all over them. Like, even though this is beige, I mean, it's beige, it's not got, you know, balloons and all that all over it. So I'm trying to keep it minimal, so when I do decorate, I'm not having to, you know, own stock in whiteout to be able to do that. So, and I don't like the whiteout because it doesn't match anyway. So that's my 2021 planner layout. This is my Faith in personal size. This is my catch-all in the vertical. This is going to be my big catch-all, which is classic size, and it's dashboard. And then I did a transformer, and in here is my wellness part of it. And then of course the lettering planner that I'll be starting next week. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that everybody is having a really good week. I hope that everybody is having good health. And I'm really hoping that 2021 is going to bring us all a bright, better future. And I hope that you all have set some goals for yourself that are attainable and that you just be happy in the skin that you're in. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed rest of your weekend. I'll catch you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you like this video, you can catch me on Instagram at Donna Smith Wilson, and Facebook, and Pinterest, and Twitter. I really do appreciate you guys, and thank you to all the subscribers that I already have. Your continued love and support is really appreciated, and I have a bunch of new videos coming out. It's going to be a really, really good 2021. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.